The child protection system in England needs a radical overhaul with more power for frontline social workers and less red tape. That's according to an official review which found that the current system was preoccupied with doing things right rather than doing the right thing. Here's our social affairs correspondent Alison Holt.
And do you think it's made a difference in your relationship?
Yeah, a little.
This meeting is to review how a young mother is coping with her 3 children. Here in Hackney in London, consultant social workers like Clea work within a team that may include parenting experts or therapists. It makes it easier to get help for vulnerable families. This mum is doing well.
You've really moved on a lot.
It's the sort of innovative local child protection system that Professor Eileen Munro, the author of today's report, wants to see made easier. She says bureaucracy needs to be cut to give social workers more time to focus on the child.
It's important, first and foremost, because children need help, and they need help from human beings who can actually get engaged with the family and help them change their behaviour. No child is ever going to be helped by someone completing a form. It's by doing something with the information that you've gathered.
It's tragedies like the death of baby Peter, a child known to be at risk, that have put the child protection system under scrutiny. Today's report says in addition to cutting bureaucracy, emphasis should be put on early intervention, with local authorities and social workers given more responsibility for getting child protection right. For Clea, freeing social workers to use their own judgment is welcome.
Social workers are professionals, we've all got degrees now. Many people have master's degrees. We can make those judgments about what's an emergency, what needs to be dealt with now, and what needs to take more time, be worked with more intensively.
The aim of the plans is to put the power for getting the child protection system right into the hands of frontline professionals and local authorities. But this will mean change at a time when councils are facing severe financial pressures.
Child protection requires that people are well resourced, there's the time to do the job, and also at the front line, all the workers, health workers, teachers, social workers, police officers are working well together. Cuts in public services leading to a lot of change. That's very disruptive. It doesn't help us to do a good job.
The government has already said there will be some more money for social work training. The test of any changes, though, will be how well they protect extremely vulnerable children. Alison Holt, BBC News.